Here at Hansen Gearbox Rebuild, doing this for a customer out of the San Diego area. This coupling will be coming off. Doing a full rebuild, new bearings, new seals. Determine if there's any gear damage, shaft seal damage. If so, we'll be doing a rebuilding on the shaft seal area, tungsten carbide and regrinding. National Gear has the capability to rebore housing if needed. Please continue on watching. Just like that, there you go. Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you will see in this video tutorial, before, during, and after repairs, this is a Hansen transmission we did a rebuild for. Reground the spiral bevel gear sets, all new bearings and seals. These bearings was heated to about 300 degrees, and there was slipped onto these shafts to prevent any damage from pressing on. We have now begun our reassembly. Please continue to watch. Thank you. Thank you for visiting us here at National Gear. So we're putting together this Hansen transmission. Did a full rebuild, as you will see in the step-by-step tutorial. All these bearings was preheated on this industrial oven, and the shafts were shrinked on with dry ice to make sure everything was press fit. This is recommended from Timken Bearing. We are Timken Bearing certified. All bearing preloads and backlash will be reset to OEM specifications. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for watching this video here at National Gear Repair. Please do not forget to subscribe to our video channel for any updates. As you've seen in the video tutorial, this was a large Hansen gearbox that we had remanufactured. All new bearings and seals. Went through comprehensive testing, repaired shaft seal areas. This box was epoxy coated on the inside and outside for rust protection and prevention. Thank you again for watching.